This video will show you how to make a bug drawing using digital shapes in PowerPoint. When you go onto PowerPoint, you need to click inside the box. If you click on the edge of the box and then press delete on your keyboard, that will get rid of it. If I press delete, whilst I'm clicked inside the text box, it won't delete. You need to click on the edge. I'm going to copy this image here so I know what I'm copying. And then I'm going to go on to insert at the top of the screen and then go down to shapes. If I click circle shape, I can draw my own oval. And I'm going to rotate that using the arrow at the top to the angle that I want it. I now need this to be a different colour. So if I go onto format, I can go onto shape fill and click black. If I go onto shape outline, that would send the outline black as well. Now I'm going to add some wings on. So if I do the same, go on to the oval shape and shape that the way that I want it and then rotate it slightly. That's forming the first wing. Now I want this to be a yellow shape, so a yellow colour, so I'm going to go on to shape fill and fill that with a nice yellow colour. If I want more colours, I can go on to more fill colours here. I can also create a gradient effect with this. So if you hover on gradient and then go across, you can create the certain kind of gradient that you want. So I'm going to go with this one for now. And I also want the outline to be the same colour. If I want to copy an image, I can press right click copy, right click paste, or Control C and Control V on my keyboard for a shortcut. I've got the same shape now, but I need it the other way around. So I'm going to rotate that. And that's made the other wing for my beetle. I now want to draw the legs. So what I'm going to do is use my shapes again, and I'm going to use this squiggly curve tool here. This will involve a little bit of digital drawing. Every time you click, you can change the shape. So I'm going to draw the bug's legs, and it will make the shape for you there. Again, I want this to be black, the same colour, and the outline to be black as well. I'm going to move that slightly down, but now this is resting over the top of this shape. So what I do is click right click copy, and then click send to back. So that's now sitting at the back of all those shapes. So I've got 4 shapes so far, but I want to move my object all as one thing. So if I click the shift key on my keyboard, which is the arrow that points up in the bottom left hand corner above control, I can select all of the shapes and then click right click, group, group. Now I can move this all as one shape. I can also draw freehand using the squiggly line tool here that's called freeform. So if I wanted to do something mechanical in this area, I could either draw more circles and add things on, or I could draw freehand. I might want to draw some squiggly lines. Okay, and then you can format that shape, make it into certain colours. So I could fill it with a colour, or I could change the outline of the shape to a different colour as well. There's also shapes that you can use which you can alter slightly. So if I look at this 3/4 circle here, it's called a partial circle, and I make the shape here. But if I wanted this to be a half circle, some of your shapes have little yellow orange circles on them. If you hover over those, you can alter the shape slightly. And then I'm going to rotate that so it's the other way around, and then just match it up with the shape of the bug. And I want to go into format to change the colour. I'm going to fill that shape black, and then I can adjust that if I need to. You can do this for the whole beetle, Make different kinds of shapes using all of those tools, and that's how you make your digital bug drawing.